Alright guys, so today we're cooking these sausage from the Texas Smokehouse. Small batch craft sausage. Cajun style, fully smoked, made with pork and beef. We're going to cook it on this pan. This is to catch the drippings, this foil. The oven set to 450. Right at 450. There's the information, nutrition facts, all that good stuff. You can pause that to read it. Not many ingredients. I wonder what all is under flavorings. My kitchen supervisor is present. Say hi to the people, Chester. He's mute today. Package open, there's the first look. I'm just going to cook all of them at once. Here's a study of the sausage. Smells really good too. Alright, there's a view of them. Give you a nice side view here too. Smell delicious. Just slid them in there. We're going to let the oven do its work. After 15 minutes at 450, this is what we're looking at. I'm going to leave them in there for a couple of more minutes. Alright, a couple minutes later, that's what we're looking at. I'm about to take them out. Fresh out the oven, that's what they look like. Still sizzling. They smell amazing. So there you go. Baked sausage. Here's what they look like all cooled off. Perfectly baked. I know people said they're not supposed to split. Well, these ones didn't. Maybe it's the quality of the sausage versus how I cooked it. Subscribe if you liked it. Apparently people like the food videos. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.